All right, have a no start issue after this mower's been running for a few minutes. We've checked everything on it. You know, plug, coil's good, fuel is good, oil's good. Key is good. The carburetor's been swapped to a known good carburetor. I mean, this thing starts right up cold on one pull and it runs beautifully. You can finish mowing the lawn, and just if it dies, you're gonna have a hard time restarting it. Sometimes if you forcefully hold the choke, it sometimes will start, but it's intermittent. So kind of at the point where we're going to do a leak down test to see if the exhaust valve maybe is getting to be out of spec. It is an older mower. I mean, it doesn't have a ton of hours on it, but it's my mower. I use it all the time. It's the 4-wheel drive, so I like it. But just got the new lift today. We're going to give it a shot. Oh, my back feels better already. Yep. Oh, okay, I got it. This I've got to finish cleaning the engine up. It needs a good scrubbing. Yeah, other than that, that engine's in perfect shape. But I'd like to get this one done. I also need to put a 2K clear coat on it. And there's a plexiglass shield we need to get cut. But anyways, probably do another video of the leak down test on here. And this is the cover I have off. I was just taking it off so I could see it while I was using it to see if I could find the problem. But thank you.